911 operator Atwell, where's your emergency?
The Arterburn crossing.
I'm sorry, what's the address?
So Arterburn, Arterburn Avenue.
Okay, 3301 Arterburn Avenue. What's the apartment number?
There's no specific apartment number. It's just coming generally from the complex over there. I don't live over that way.
Okay, what's happening?
I live right next to there. There's a guy who's just out there. He's been yelling at the top of his lungs for the last half hour at somebody who's in an apartment in there. And he seems like really angry and violent, and it's extremely loud, and we're over here. We can hear it from our house, and he's been there for a while now. So I didn't know if maybe like a patrol could go over there and just check on the situation and see what's happening.
Yeah. Were you able to tell what he looked like?
I could see through the trees that he was African American, and that's all. I couldn't see any more details of what he looked like other than that.
Does it sound like he's drunk or on drugs?
Possibly on drugs. He seemed like extremely angry and loud, and he's frantically saying things over and over and over again, and he just seems totally unstable, extremely unstable.
Okay. And then did you see any weapons, hear any go off?
I did not hear any weapons go off, but it wouldn't have surprised me with how angry he sounded.
Right. Okay, we'll get officers out there as fast as we can.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What are you doing?
Yeah, you don't have sex with your daughter, man? That's fucking pathetic. Yeah, I need the fucking knife in there.
What? Ahtume, please do not do this. Please, come here. Look, please, what are you doing? Jasper!
911 operator Green, where's your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. Somebody just tried to break in my condo. It's the neighbor upstairs.
What's your address?
Hurry.
What's your address, ma'am?
Arterburn, please hurry.
What's the name of the street?
Arterburn, please
Arterburn. Okay. Tell me exactly what happened, ma'am.
What?
Tell me exactly what happened.
He just broke out my window.
Okay. I already got a call for service up. Who broke out your window?
He just broke out hers, too.
Okay, I already got a... Who is he, ma'am?
Our neighbor, please hurry. Yes. We need to be in here.
Okay, which apartment are you in?
Hold on 1 second, ma'am. What?
What apartment number are you in?
In our doors. Please hurry.
I already got enough for dispatch, ma'am. What's his name?
Ahtume McCollum.
Huh?
Ahtume McCollum.
White, black, Hispanic?
Oh, the police are already here.
They're there?
Black. Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
Black. Where are they leaving?
No, they're not, ma'am. What's your name? I'll let officers know. You're in. Okay.
He's in my apartment. He broke out my window.
Where are you?
I'm upstairs and
He's in your apartment right now?
yes, and he broke out her door too.
Okay. I got it up for...
Tell them to get out of the car and hurry.
So I got it up for dispatch. I told him that he is in apartment. Is that correct?
He's down on the floor. He broke out my first floor window.
Okay, I heard that, ma'am. Is he inside your apartment physically?
I don't know. I'm upstairs.
Okay, ma'am, you just told me he was inside your apartment. I'm trying to get the information straight for the officers.
He was running around breaking on my windows, pushing my bed out of the way.
Okay. Do you know what he's wearing?
Black pants, black shirt.
Okay, well, the officer's already there, ma'am, so they're probably checking the area.
No, they're out in the parking lot on the right. Come to the left by the black Mercedes.
Okay, I'm updating them now because we got an address of Arterburn Avenue.
Is our number, not 3.
Okay, I'm gonna get them to come to you guys,
There
okay?
he is. There he is.
I'm gonna get the
taking stuff out of my apartment.
okay, I'm gonna get the officers to come speak to you. You're in apartment right now?
He's shaking his head at them right now. Hold on, I can't go down there right now. He's getting ready to run from them.
I'm trying to get officers to come to you, man.
Earlier.
Okay. I'm gonna disconnect being at the officers there, okay?
Okay, babe. Sorry. Bye.
Hey, other 515 out of 5 Baker. The original caller says that he, as a neighbor, hasn't seen anything since. We did just get another caller, says the resident of the home advised the neighbor out her window.
What are you grabbing there?
Apartment 335.
Put that down.
3359.
Put that down.
42 there.
Put that down.
Yeah, stay right there.
What do you got there? What's going on today?
Radio, okay, 1086 right now.
What's the matter?
Right now.
What's the matter? Huh? Well, talk to us for a second.
Have you around? I'm going to hold you.
What's going on?
What you got in your pocket there?
Nothing at all.
Looks like a knife.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, if you reach for that knife, I'm going to shoot you. You understand that? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you can't arrest me. You Mason?
I'm not
You a
arresting you.
Mason?
I'm just telling you,
Are
if you
you
reach for that
Mason?
knife, I'm going to shoot you.
Are you Mason?
You understand that?
Or are you Mason?
No, I'm not Mason.
Yeah, you are.
Are you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
I'm Ahtume, so it don't even
So,
matter.
what's going on with you?
Nothing. She like that all the time.
So, what's going on with you? No.
Oh, stop right there. Stop.
We need to talk to you to find out what's going on.
Go ahead, touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Put them on your back.
Five 15 Baker, shots fired. Start EMS code 3. I got a male subject with a gunshot to the head. You all right? Yes. Are you okay? Yeah.
Tough boy, we have him out here. He's got some kind of rock in his hand. Well, right now.
What's the matter?
Nothing at all. Huh? Not at all. Nothing at all.
Howdy.
What's going on?
What you got in your pocket there?
Nothing at all.
Looks like a knife.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, if you reach for that knife, I'm going to shoot you. You understand that? You understand what I'm
But
saying?
you can't arrest me. You Mason?
I'm not
You
arresting you.
Mason?
I'm just telling you,
Are
if you
you
reach for that knife, I'm going to shoot you.
Are you Mason?
You understand that?
Or are you Mason?
No, I'm not a Mason.
Yeah, you are.
Are you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
I'm Ahtume, so it don't even
So,
matter.
what's going on with you?
Nothing. She like that all the time.
515 Baker. You can cancel the tone. We're 1086 right this minute. So, what's going on with you? No, hold up. Hold up. We need to talk to you to find out what's going on. Yep.
Go ahead, touch me.
All right. All right, put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
You okay?
515 Baker, shots fired. Start EMS code 3. I got a male subject with a gunshot to the head. You all right?
Yes. Are you okay?
Yeah. I think I am. Stab.
One to the head.
All right. Stay here. I'm gonna get bandage. You got hand gloves on? No. Put gloves on. .50 maker. CPR is in progress. Do a cycle and let me get a pulse. I have a pulse. I don't know if I've been stabbed. He tried to get me. That's right. All right. I mean, there's nothing I can do on the head wound like that. All right. Continue CPR. .515 Baker, notify those who need to notify officer involved. Make notifications, officer involved.
Cody, your body camera's on the ground there too.
That's yours, buddy.
Is it mine? Oh.
Yep. All right. Put it on. Let me check pulse. All right. Hold compressions. I got a pulse.
All right. You got a pulse?
I got a pulse. He's not breathing. All right. I'm gonna bag valve him. You all right? All right.
I'm not feeling a pulse now.
Get a scene.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah.
Get a scene.
I'm going back on again.
Big. Make it big. Yeah. I know. All right. 2 in. Could you tell if the breaths are going in good?
I can't tell. Yes, no one in.
2 in. Continue CPR. Got 2 breaths in.
Where'd that knife go?
It's over here behind me. Gunshot wound to the head. Have no pulse.
Where at?
Right here on the side.
Gotcha.
No pulse.
Okay.
No breathing right now. 2 in.
You got her.